Some of the foods eaten while in Greece, and of course, as a Jamaican, I had to find a KFC. 10 out of a 10. Food I ate while in Greece. Now, this is the hotel I was staying breakfast, and listen, I did not get to vlog everything, so it's just a little snippets, little tidbits of some of what we had while in Greece. Breakfast was always the boss. Greek salad for me, it's the boss. I loved it. I ate so much Greek salad. I enjoyed it. You too should try it. It doesn't take a lot of work. You too should try it. I tried some free range chicken in Greece, and listen, this was the boss. This right here is some beef cooked in a sauce, not to mention vegan pizza. I had this more than once. Listen, Greek food is Greeking. I enjoyed every moment of each meal that I tried. This video includes some of the foods and desserts. And of course, I found a KFC in Greece. Wait for it. This was some chicken sandwich. They were okay with some potato wedge. This right here is a pasta, chicken pasta in Alfredo sauce. It was okay. Gyro made with beef. My friend tried this and she said it was good. It has like radish on it, different types of seasonings, and a special sauce, which she enjoyed every moment of it. Listen, Greek food was the boss. And of course, we were looking for a KFC, and right over there is the Mr. Colonel sign. My battery was like almost running low at this point because I did not have a portable charger. So this is the KFC. It is a little different from the KFC that we're used to in the US and also in Jamaica, where you have to order what you want from a kiosk. So we experimented. We ordered our meals at the kiosk, and listen, a girl was so hungry I didn't get to show you what we ordered or what the food looked like. But I give Greece KFC a 10 out of a 10. They had spicy sandwich, spicy wings, lots of things that are not in the US, they were in Greece. And let me tell you something, Greece chicken, the chicken is chicken in. It's not no chicken filled with no water. The chicken is like really thin. The taste and flavor to the herbs and spices they use. Listen, a 10 out of a 10. I won't kid you. America KFC have nothing on Greece KFC. Puerto Rico KFC, hey, they're in number 10. I tell you, Greece KFC, I put it number 2. Jamaica is in number 1 spot. Nothing can take with that. Yeah, here I am ordering. I ordered some spicy wings. They had a special rice, a spicy rice, which I like, or it was a chili Thai rice that I really enjoyed. And my friend ordered some nuggets, zinger, and listen, the food was fooding. The food was delicious. Remember now, it's just little tidbits of videos that I put together. I wanted to show you guys, and I enjoyed KFC. Had we found that KFC before, we would have been there more than once. It was in close walking distance in Athens, right close to the hotel that we stayed at. The chicken was good. I didn't try any fries. I just had spicy wings, a little rice, and a juice. But the food was good. I heard even the coleslaw tasted good. Every restaurant chain that I had a meal, you could literally taste flavor in the food. I'm not gonna lie you, there was this rooftop restaurant and bar that we kept going back to more than once. The food was good. The chicken tasted more like the Jamaican style chicken. Yes, food tastes good. See my friend ordering a zinger box, and the food have spice. Nah lie you, food have spice. I've learned their chicken is free range chicken. The eggs we had for breakfast tasted so different from the American style eggs. I won't complain. The only thing I'll complain about is the heat that was in Greece. Stay tuned for that travel vlog. I'll be showing you. This is just some of the foods we consumed while in Greece. Once you order, then you would go to the cash register and then you would pay in euros. And I think when I calculated the cost for the meal, it was similar to the US. But listen, Greece KFC tastes 100% better than the US KFC. You got that. On to the desserts. Goat ice cream. We saw this store that says goat ice cream, and of course we were on vacation, so we went and we tried it. I did not like it. It tasted just like goat. What taste does a goat have? It tastes just like the Jamaica goat. I did not like it. I don't know how they came up with that. But listen, every day we had ice cream, pistachio, coconut. They had so many different flavors ice cream. Listen, we tried different ice cream. I mean, I know I came back with more pounds than I left with. I ate lots of ice cream. Walipa ice cream. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I even had ice cream on a waffle with some caramel syrup, not chocolate, because I don't like chocolate. But listen, the ice cream, the desserts, they were desserting. Tasted good. There were so many different flavors. They made them right in front of you. I love Greece. I would definitely travel back to Greece. Baked goods. There was so many baked goods. I won't remember their names. We tried a few, but listen, when you hear about baked stuff, it is Greece. You can't go wrong. There was everything. Literally, there was so much to try. It was like overwhelming. So much baked pastry. Then we went to an island called Aina, which is known for pistachio. There was pistachio ice cream, pistachio pastry. Everything is pistachio. That island is known for pistachio. Apples with pistachio. There was so much going on with pistachio. The heat was too hot. We had to leave. And this was the view from the restaurant. Right there you can see the Acropolis. Stay tuned for my travel vlog to Greece. Subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Thank you.